We're fishing! Woo! Oh no! The ball's
Let
red!
it go. Let it go.
Get in for the ball!
The fish! I found the fish!
Wait. Fish!
Fishing! Ah, that's cold!
Good call, Danny.
Me and my boy, we're sleeping in a tent. I'm at his house. Not my house. My house doesn't have cool fishes. Well, we didn't catch one. I swear, we didn't catch one. That's right there. Right there. Yes. No, quick, catch it. Yes.
Let's get now.
We caught a fishy. Yeah. Got it. Hey, I can't see him. You use the other bowl that we have. I'll just look at this bowl. Hang on, let me just pull up my sleeve, guys. If I can find him. Here we go. What a ripper. Woo! There you go. You may swim free.
The big one does the fish! I'm gonna wait.
Jake.
What?
Hang on, guys. Keep looking at the fish, eh? Such a beautiful fish, wherever it is.
Where are you, fish? Dun, 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 dun. Ow! Just stand on.
Yeah, guys, there's this humongous fish in there somewhere. And
I can't believe
we
there's
always
only...
catch it, and then it always just slips out because how
I can't
big it
believe
is.
there's 12 in here.
Yeah, no, there's
We
two.
only catch like 3.
They're different.
Come back, fishes.
My cousin is freaking retarded. My cousin's retarded. Ready? Alright. He's in such a tiny bowl with only a little bit of food. What is this? Come here, you little fishy.
I'm gonna drown myself if
That
I don't
face.
find fish for 5 seconds.
He's gonna drown himself. Dude, you're picking them up and you're dropping them.
I found him.
He found it, he said. The fish that we keep, this fish, we always catch it.
Where are you? Yeah.
Just lift it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Jake! The fish pee and poo in that water. You're an idiot.
Where's the bowl? Oh, bowl.
He is so stupid. The fish pee and poo in there. And he put himself under the water. He's so stupid, Jake. Penis! What is this? You're so stupid, I swear. Alright guys, that is the end of the fishing video. Bye-bye.